Do you want to launch storm damage ads in an area that's either about to get a storm or just received one? In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit a video that a client sent me. You're going to see what his video looks like, what he says. It's things that I told him to say, so you can learn from that. You're going to see how I edited it, what sort of headlines I did, how I got the captions on there, how I burned them in, what software I use for that. It's all free. And you're going to get to see how I think about it all throughout the process. It's raw. Like, I'm not cutting this and, making it look easier than it really is, although it's not too hard. But you see me kind of clunk through some things. You see me figure out some things in the process because, I'm always learning, just like you're always learning. But I think there's a lot to get out of watching me do this. And then if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel because there's a lot more coming regarding these storm damage ads. I'm actually going to show you how I built the landing page, and I might even provide a template for it that you can easily import into a CRM that I give you access to. So you don't even have to build it. It'll just import it right in. And I'll even show you what I did for the automations, for the texts and the emails that get sent out to the homeowner and the notifications that get sent out to the roofing client, who's my client. I'll even show you how I built out the actual storm damage ads on Facebook's advertising platform using the video that I edited in this video, how I targeted it, what the ad copy says, what headlines I used, everything. So subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you love this. Comment below if you're excited about those future videos, and I will be launching those shortly. All right, guys, stay tuned. Right now, we're going to edit the video. Let's do it. Let's just jump right into it. First, I'm going to open up something called CapCut.com, which is the video editing software that I recommend using. It is by the same company that created TikTok, and it makes it really easy to edit videos in the format for TikTok, but also it works really well for Facebook and Instagram Reels, but also even for the news feed if you do it properly. So let's just do it. So I'm going to hit create new video, and I'm going to choose 9:16 because that's for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, stuff like that. And I'm going to drag the video that my client created right into here, and it will start importing it. It didn't actually import it at all. Let's just do it like this then. Click upload. There we go. Okay. So you can see it is uploading and transcoding the video. And, I'm not really 100% sure how I'm going to edit this yet. I haven't even watched the video yet. So you're going to get to kind of see me work through this in real time, just like I would be if I wasn't making a video. Although I'll be doing a little bit of explaining as I'm doing it, and maybe you'll find it interesting. So let's watch the video and see what it says. Why does it say it's 35 seconds long? I was like, wow, 35 minutes long, that's long. It's not quite that long. It's 35 seconds long. So let's check it out.
Hi, Jeff Weisberg here with Crown Remodeling. Today is Monday, August the 7th, 2023. There is a major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes. If you need our help, if you need an emergency tarp, if you need repairs, if you need us to work with your insurance company, we will be here for you from start to finish. All you need to do is give us a call at 410-861-0039, and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
Okay, so that he did a really good job. He's holding his dog. I think that's really cool. So right now what I'm thinking is, what's that opening line going to be? What do I want that opener to be? What's going to really catch the attention of the people who are catching this on their newsfeed or in a reel or something like that? And I know exactly what it's going to be. Let me just find it in the video and you'll see what I do.
There is a major.
So that's where I want to cut it. And I'm just going to literally scroll over this and click split. And now it's split there. And then let's see where that part ends.
There is a major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes. If you need our help, if you need an emergency tarp, if you need repairs, if you need us to work with your insurance company, we will be here for you from start to finish. All you need to do is give us a call at 410-861-0039 and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
All right, so I'm going to cut off the end there because we don't need that and the little end part. The reason I cut this was because I was going to put there is a storm coming first and then have the...
Hi, Jeff Weisberg here with Crown Remodeling. Today is Monday, August the 7th, 2023.
So I'm actually going to... So let's see.
Weisberg here with Crown Remodel. Hi, Jeff Weisberg. Hi, Jeff Weisberg here with Crown.
Actually, so what I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes.
Today is Monday, August the 7th, 2023.
So I'm gonna see what that looks like if I were to copy that, and then let's see.
861-0039 and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
I'm actually not even going to use this first part. I'm going to delete it and just make the video really simple.
There is a major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes. If you need our help, if you need an emergency tarp, if you need repairs, if you need us to work with your insurance company, we will be here for you from start to finish. All you need to do is give us a call at 410-861-0039 and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
Okay. So I think that's really all that it needs. I'm not going to mess with it any more than that in terms of cutting the video and trimming it and reorganizing it and things like that. He did a great job. He just actually don't need the first part. There's a major storm coming. That's something that's going to get people to stop and watch. So now let's see what we can do here. So I want to add captions to this video, and it's going to auto caption the video. So I hit auto caption and we choose English and we choose generate, and then it's going to generate the captions for the whole video just automatically. How cool is that? Check this out.
There is a
So I'm actually going to chop this off right here. And boom. Hang on one second. Like that. Oops. So now it looks like all the captions got moved. All right. Let's see here. Let me undo. I want to delete these two things. And it's not moving these over. That's kind of annoying.
There is a major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible.
All right, so these need to all move over. That's really annoying. Let's see here. Maybe I can zoom. There we go. Okay, so I can select all of these. I can move them over to the beginning.
There is a major.
Wow, that's super annoying. Okay, so let's see.
There is a major storm moving across the East.
It's crazy that I can't.
There is a major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100 miles.
See, right now it's lined up perfectly, but for some reason, if I delete this part of the video, and then I delete this doesn't move down. That's really annoying. So now I have to manually move all of these. What you're seeing right here is like just some of the annoying stuff that happens when you're working with any kind of software, or you're building ads, or you're doing anything. There's always these little stupid things you have to troubleshoot. And man, it's just so annoying. So let's see.
039 and we will be here to help. Thank you so much. All you need to do is give us a call at 410-861-0039, and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
Okay. So that looks good. Now we want to make these captions look better. So I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to put it right in the center. That's where we want it to be. That should edit all of them. So you could see if we... So now it moved them all up automatically. It's adjusting all of them at the same time. And then I want to make this look better. So let's make it bold. Let's give it a different different font. Let's say 14 font size, Barbaro font. I like that font. We're going to give it a fill color of white, a stroke around it, of 60, a background. Let's give it a background here. See how that looks. Okay, I like a color better than white. Let's give it orange. I'm trying to understand what this stroke is doing here. Okay, black is good. Background, that doesn't look right to me, so I'm going to remove the background. And that applies it to all of them. I think it needs to be bigger. Let's make it 20. And let's animate this. So we're going to say karaoke. Okay. And whenever you do karaoke one, you want to move this all the way up. So now we need to do this for each one. Animation. Where'd the karaoke one go? Oh, it's in the in. Karaoke. All the way up.
Storm moving across the East Coast today.
Animation in. Karaoke all the way up. I haven't figured out how to do this once so that you don't have to do it every single time on the desktop version. I know on the phone version of this editing software you can, I think, do this once and it'll apply. Let me turn this down a little bit. It'll apply to all of them at the same time, to all the captions at the same time, but I haven't figured out how to do it here, and I am just powering through it here without trying to figure that out right now. Although now I'm curious, so I'm going to see if I can figure it out. So hang on a second. Let me do this last one. Karaoke, where are you? Why is it so hard to find sometimes? I don't know. In. Is it in a different spot now for some reason? That's so annoying. There it is. It was in the same spot, but I just was acting like a crazy person and not being able to find it. So what if I did this? See, when I select all of them, I'm not even able, the presets or the settings for the animations don't even show up. So I don't know that there's a way to do it all at once on the desktop version. You might need to go through each and every one just like this every single time, which is really annoying. But that's what you got to do. Animation in karaoke, turn it all the way up. Animation in karaoke, turn it all the way up. Animation in karaoke, turn it all the way up. Animation in karaoke, turn it all the way up. And then animation in karaoke, where are you? There you are. Turn it all the way up. All right, so we might make some more adjustments, but let's go back to the beginning and watch the video and see how it is.
There is a major, major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes. If you need our help, if you need an emergency tarp, if you need repairs, if you need us to work with your insurance company, we will be here for you from start to finish. All you need to do is give us a call at 410-861-0039, and we will be here to help. Thank you so much.
All right. So another thing to remember about TikTok, but other platforms as well, is that it is really, why can't I see the, here we are. Okay. It's really easy to get things cut off. So what I'm going to do here is now just make this a little bit more narrow and position it where I want, because otherwise the sides of the text might get cut off. And let's see if it did that to all of them. It did that to all of them. That's good. All right, so we can see that that looks good. Now for Baltimore or the Maryland area, you've got orange for the Orioles, you got purple for the Ravens. I'm not going to mess with these colors because, I don't know, I think it looks kind of cool. But if I wanted to, let's see, where would I even find that purple color for the karaoke? Let's see.
Major storm moving across the East Coast today.
Yeah, I'm not even sure where, like what controls what color the karaoke color is going to be, because doesn't seem to be a setting for that. So I'm not sure. It's not in basic. It's not in animation. Presets. Oh, it's probably this. But I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to let it roll as it is. So there's my video that I've created for him. It's got captions. The opening line is good. There's a major storm. I think I actually want to just have something on the screen that says, I want to have something on the screen that actually says major storm. I'm going to add something. I just click this. That's not what I want. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's see. I want to say something that says huge storm coming in text that, looks interesting. See. Let's go like this. Let's see. I want that to go the whole video. And let's see how it looks.
There is a major, major storm moving across the East Coast today. I'm talking 100-mile-an-hour winds, large hail, and possible tornadoes. If you need our help,
So I want you to look at something on Facebook, on the in the news feed. It's going to, this whole thing is not going to fit properly. So it's going to ask you to crop it. We're going to end up cropping it probably here, and then it'll go all the way to the top, and that'll probably fit all of this in there. Let's see. Is that going to look good? Yeah, it's all good. Everything's in view. Huge storm headed our way. Captions, blah, blah, blah. Good. Let's see. Can I change the color of this? Doesn't look like it. Whatever. Okay. Good enough for me. Let's export it. Storm. So now it's exporting. And I'm going to download it to my computer because then we're going to use it in an ad on Facebook. And guys, that's how I create the video part of the ad. And then it's obviously just about building the ads, targeting them properly to the service area that he wants to target for the storm, having a good landing page for this ad so that we can send the traffic from the ad to a landing page that gets people's information who need help, and then sends notification to Jeff, texts and emails the homeowner who's in need of help from their company that they need help, and all that good stuff. So that's how we do the video part. I hope this was interesting for you to watch, and I hope you got a lot out of it. If you did, subscribe. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos like this moving forward. It happens sporadically. Sometimes I post a lot, and sometimes I take a break and focus on my clients and my family and things like that. And other times I get inspired to share things like this. So I hope this is helpful for you. And that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment below. Tell me what you want to see next, and I'll make that video. See ya.